USDJPY. Again, on a smaller time frame, this is again USDJPY has got a lot of movement right now, but on a smaller time frame, if I go across here, there we go. There. So this is the last kiss. Notice on USD CAD, if I zoom in here, this is the last kiss before the price tumbles down. Okay, so the price tumbles down. Again, I'm switching time frames now, but the move overall is exactly the same. So the last kiss before the price tumbles down. This is where we're at. On UJ, that resistance level there equates to the same as this 1.13882 level, and this level is quite important because if you notice, that's where we actually set our stop loss the other day when we got caught out, because we were caught out by this bear trap at 1.1364. Price went up, then followed down. Now what I expect to happen here is I expect the price to just basically wedge through. I expect the price to wedge through, and I'll break this down for you. Right, because our resistance level is at the 1.183, because if we've drawn a Fibonacci retracement too long, so A, B, C, A, B, C, D, our 78.6 level is our resistance on this zone, 0.113.83. We're going to be looking at sell here. Again, the rules of trading: buy low, sell high. We're going to wait until the price gets up to 1.138.283 before executing. We're going to put our stop loss just above the previous high, so nice 40 pip stop on USDJPY. So then it shows that if the price goes higher, the trade's invalid. If it obviously goes lower, then we're in profit. Now, the sign again here is this trend line that I'm waving around right here. You can see the price is respecting the trend line. The price came down and it did a bounce. Notice it bounced on the key level, again, that we're going to wave around right here, the 1.1280 key level. So the price bounced off that key level. Then again, we've approached this same trend line, which has been extended from here. That key level, we draw from the wick and we simply extend from there. So the price approached that key level, approached the trend line, sorry, and is continuing a little bit higher. However, we do know that this zone is a level of resistance right here. Our 1.14 is our weekly resistance, but we've got our monthly support here as well at 1.12. So this trade setup is very nice. Ideally, it would have been nice to catch the high of 1.1403 the other day, but there's still going to be plenty of tradable opportunities now. What we're waiting for is a 4-hour setup. Okay, now this trend line is going to be very, very important for us to obviously keep an eye on and just replicate this on your charts on the 4-hour time frame. We're basically just going to wait for the price to just break this trend line. As soon as this price breaks the trend line, we are going to see 1.1280. So if the price gets underneath this line right here, we're going to see 1.1280. So just keep an eye on this trend line. That's pretty much all you need right now for USDJPY. Again, A, B, C, D. We should compress for this breakout. This is why I've drawn on this triangle on here. Okay, I've drawn on this triangle, which is basically a triangle pattern, which means that when the price is preparing itself for a big move, it will usually compress, going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down off the support and resistance levels, and it will wedge into a triangle and whichever way that breaks out is going to be the direction, and it's going to be an explosive move as well. So you're going to see that. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame, I'll show you an example of this triangle pattern, and this is a signal that we obviously did a few weeks ago as well. Here we go. So this was on the 12th of November. So you can see the price is pretty much setting up to mimic this on a different time frame. So look how we've got this trend line right here. I'll make this trend line big and chunky for you all to see. I'm going to put this trend line in bright pink. And then we've got a mirror image down here. So a bottom trend line and a top trend line right there. Okay, you can see the price goes, I'll just draw on, and I'll draw this in, pink as well. So the price comes up, rejects, bounces, creates a trend line, rejects that trend line, bounces off this new trend line, rejects off that trend line, and it breaks through. But notice the actual follow through from that break. Look how explosive this move is. That is an explosive move. That there is a lot of money to be made, and I expect the same thing to obviously happen over a period of time for USDJPY right now. So we're in a very good position to try and lock in a few good sell positions right now. So USDJPY, sit tight, let the price just bump itself up probably another 50-60 pips from where we are right now, and then we're literally just going to be executing on